We have another Robinson here. How do you feel making your debut for Portmore Utd today?
It's a wonderful feeling, you know, a lot of preparation over the time period. So coming here and getting all 3 points was a good feeling. Was the focus today. So that's it. Nice feeling.
A different system. How well are you adapting to this particular system at Portmore?
Well, it's not hard. I'm used to it. So it's more of more hard work, more determination. So it's not hard, but getting used to the players was the hard part. But it's very easy adapting.
How would you assess your performance today?
Probably an 8. I should have scored today, but a lot of work to be done. So going forward, more goals and try to help the team going forward. So that's.
Do you have any aspirations?
Yeah, probably get a couple goals. The aspiration is to get a contract, go abroad. So I think I'm at the right club to do that. So that's it.
Basically, I said the performance was really decent. The overall team performance was quite good.
Yeah. I think in the first half we had a lot of control of the game. Come out second half. To be honest, them never really have nothing to lose. So them come out second half really did push us with that. So, but I think getting the first goal in the second half was the thing. So I think we had a very good performance today. And we'll just move forward from this.
As a player, what do you think you need to work on to become the final product?
Probably finishing, probably that. But everything else, it gonna come. I think we do a lot of finishing in training, so it's getting better. But I think that's just it, to be honest.
Thanks and all the best for the season.
Yeah, thank you.